So in this series, I'm going to show you what it's like to boondock when you have no idea what you're doing. Hey y'all, RoamTownGirl here, coming to you from my latest boondocking site. If you're new to my channel, welcome! It's so nice to have you. And if you're a longtime viewer, thank you for coming back over and over and over again. You know I so appreciate you. I finished my videos on the New Mexico state parks. However, if you're thinking of visiting, please be sure to check out my playlist. But now, let's venture in to boondocking. So in this video, I'm going to show you where I boondocked in Twin Lakes. It was off of Colorado Road 82. It was just past the town of Twin Lakes by about 4.9 miles. It's on the left-hand side, and if you find yourself passing, I believe it's called Perry Peak Campground, you went too far. There's also more dispersed camping up Colorado Road 24, which I'm going to go investigate tomorrow, so hopefully I'll have some footage to add about that. So in my boondocking series, I'm going to show you what it's like to boondock as a complete beginner. Now, it's not like I haven't boondocked before, which I have. The difference is those times I actually was going with people or meeting with people and they gave me the coordinates. When you are on your own and you're trying to find the place to camp, it's a whole new ball game. Now, there's loads of people who know what they're doing and they do videos on it. I'm going to show you what it's like when you're just getting out of the gate on this thing. So I'm curious to know, where are you at in your boondocking skills? Have you ever done it before? Have you ever tried to find places on your own? What do you think about the places that I've been finding? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. So here's a few things I want to share with you about boondocking at this site. Now, you're right off of a road, and it seems to be a busy road. It's the road to Aspen, and it goes over Independence Pass. So that kind of gives you an idea of the location. That's Mount Elbert. That's the highest mountain in Colorado. And that's just a really beautiful boulder rock thing. The closest town to go and go shopping, get propane, do laundry, that would be Leadville. That's 11 miles north. I'm here in July of 2021, and the mosquitoes are crazy. So if you want to come here, be sure to have your mosquito gear ready. I myself have figured out they hate the smell of lavender, so I've covered myself in Burt's Lavender hand lotion with shea cream, and I haven't gotten any new bites. And for the ones I did get when I first got here, I found that toothpaste was the most awesome anti-itch thing I could have found. Just Crest Minty toothpaste. Go figure. And for future mosquito run-ins, when I head to Leadville, I'll be going to B&B Shipping. They are awesome at being a delivery service. I can park my big old RV just down the street from them with no problem. And they currently charge $3 a package. That's a little hefty, but for the convenience, I don't mind. So as I was saying, I ordered a Thermacell mosquito repellent thing. It's supposed to give you an outside mosquito-free zone. So when I get it, I'm gonna test it and I'll do a video review on that. The only animals I've seen here are squirrels. They run back and forth on the fence and drive Shelby crazy. So I did put out my flashing solar rope lights because that's supposed to deter little pests from wanting to come under the RV at night. So far, so good. Now, when I first got here, there was a large group of people, and they were actually leaving because they were having poor cell and internet service. I have to say, my cell and internet has been fine. It did take me over 2 hours to upload a 2-minute video. Okay, so maybe uploading, the speeds are a bit slow, but making phone calls, texting, watching Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime, no problemo. And I've got Verizon and AT&T, and I didn't even have to put up the booster. My experience is it tends to be dead as a doornail and nice and quiet in here during the week. And then Thursday, Friday, all the way through Sunday, it gets real full. Predominantly, it's car campers, van campers, tent campers. Nobody with generators. So they all seem to be lovely and it stays pretty peaceful. You can come in over there, or you can come in right here. So you kind of are close to the road. But you've got, this is a possible site. And that's a possible site. There's where I am over there. There's where my friend is. Hi. You do. And when I started, I was here. Of course, now I'm over there. And if you come back here, you've got some more choices. So you've got the road in. I guess there's a couple little places back there. That's a nice spot. You've got here, or in between the trees. And then you've got this little alcove. And there's a road here, and there's a super duper secret place down this road. I'll show you. We'll go look. It rained a little. Look back here. So you go down this road, and if I was smaller and not worried about internet, look at that. You have your own little oasis back there. And there's a creek the dogs and I noticed, which I should probably just film on another day because it's starting to rain again, which I will. But there's little offshoots here that go to a creek. Oh, now I'm just gonna show you. So it's really nice that no one's here, but it's also Tuesday, so just wait. They're all gonna come. Oh, can you be on YouTube or not on YouTube?
Oh, I don't matter to me.
Okay, I was just showing. So can I ask you, because I haven't ventured yet, what's beyond there?
I see 3 tents out there.
You're kidding. Okay. So we'll come and explore. This is, I think, like the best little hidey hole back here. Are you right there?
Yeah, that's right there.
Okay. I've taken ownership, like this is mine, so welcome. Because I was the first one here when it was empty. Oh my gosh. Are you in the tents back there?
Yes.
Wow, did you carry your tents in?
Yes.
Wow. All right, stay safe from the mosquitoes. The people that were here before said that on the weekends it gets filled up, and apparently all the tent people like to commandeer this meadow. So here's hoping nobody shows up and it just stays peaceful and quiet like right now. Hey, if you wouldn't mind doing me a favor, it would really help my channel a lot if you'd give this video a thumbs up. It's supposed to tell YouTube that lots of people like it, and supposedly they'll push it out to more and more people. And Lord knows I can use all the help I can get trying to grow this channel. Thank you. Okay, so I showed you around. I told you about the sites. I told you where it's located. I gave you the mosquito lowdown. I gave you the connectivity lowdown. Gave you the animal lowdown. So tell me, what else do you guys want to know when I'm giving you a review about a boondocking location? Obviously, it was easily accessible and could accommodate my big old RV. There's a pond that you can hike to. Needless to say, being the big outdoors woman that I am, I haven't walked over there. I also fear that that's where the mosquitoes live. So why tempt fate? That's me right there. Okay. Do satellite. Okay, so there's me. There's the pond. So watch this. I hold my finger. I get a pin. I ask for directions. I'm not going to walk that way. I'm actually going to walk... Oop. I'm actually going to walk that way. For 1 minute, I should walk over and show you the pond. So let's do that before it starts raining on my head. Okay, let's go real fast before it rains. Remember the meadow where I told you people like to tent camp? That's, I think, the shortest path over to see the pond. So let's go. It's supposed to be a 1 minute walk, 250 feet. I figure even I could do that. All right, let's not get lost. Come on, guys. Nope, Shelby, Wesley. Okay, at this rate, it's gonna take a little longer. Come on. Me venturing out. No signs to tell me which way is the right way to go. This may not be right. Ah. Okay. Huh. Not sure if I want to deal with doggies with wet feet. Ooh, look how pretty. Okay, can you guys jump or something? Let's see. I can jump. Can you jump? Okay, come on. I don't even want to see what's happening behind me. I heard somebody go through water. Was that you, Wesley? Come on. This might not be such a good idea. I don't know where the pond is. Keep going, baby. Huh. Okay. Remember where we came from? I'm about to give up. It's starting to rain. Come on. Shelby, go that way. Go. Yeah. Okay, we don't know where we're going. But there's a pond somewhere over here. Sorry. That's about as much adventure as I can take. Come on, guys, let's try to find our way back home. Looked a lot different on satellite, didn't it? Okay. Will we come this way? Pretty flowers. Come on. Come on, go. Come on. You doing okay back there, Wesley? Okay, we gotta go back over this. All right. Oh! Oh! Wesley! What happened? Come here. Why would you walk right into a bush? Come here, sweetie. Go around. There you go. That's my boy. He's as bad as a hiker as I am. You gonna go first, Shelbs? You want me to go first? Okay, hold on. I'll go first. Okay, ready? Jump! Okay. Woohoo! Shelby jumped. Come on, Wes. You're just gonna have to do it, baby. Just do it. Oh, good boy. He jumped, sorta. Should we see if it's over there? Let's go over there a little bit. Okay. Come here. Where is this flippin' pond? I don't know. I think I found it. Come on. Okay. Okay, oop. All right. It's right there. I'm just not sure how we get to it through the trees. What do you guys think? See? Okay. Please hit the thumbs up button for my tenacity to keep going. Okay. We came from over there, so remember that, Shelby. Alright. We found it! Look at us. Okay, this is barbed wire. Oh no. Okay. Okay, hold on. Shelby, you're stuck on the Oh boy, I spoke too soon. Shelby, don't move. Shelby, don't move. Don't. No, Shelby. No, you don't understand. This is barbed wire. Oh, honey. Shelby, come here. Okay, all right, that's good. And here's the end of the barbed wire. So maybe, okay, no, there's barbed wire on the ground. Okay, well, don't step on the barbed wire. No, Shelby! Get, no! Oh my God, Shelby! Okay, all right. No, you just sit. Stay. We don't need any trips to the vet. Okay, I think I have a tetanus shot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Well, that was hard to navigate with two dogs that don't understand what barbed wire is. Well, I hope you think this was worth it. Because here's the pond. It's looking a little dried up, huh? Okay. Now we have to go through the barbed wire again. Okay, dogs. Hopefully we'll do it better this time. All right, hold on. Now, come here. I want dogs on a short leash. Okay, I want dogs on a short leash. Okay, and I want you to step around. Look where you're walking. Look where you're walking. Okay, good deal. Ah, barbed wire, you didn't get us this time. Being a dog mom with anxiety is exhausting. Okay. Yeah. No, you guys. You're low, I'm high. Come here, go this way. There you go. Much better choice. Thank you. Okay. I'm done. Okay. There's our meadow. Yay! If you know where you're going, it truly wasn't that far of a walk. So through the meadow, through the trees, then hang a left. Mind the barbed wire, and you'll be at the pond. Come on, guys. Shelby, are you okay? Your feet are all dirty, Wesley. From your thing. Well, I hope you had a good time hanging out with me today. And if you'd like to do it again, it's really easy. Just hit the subscribe button and also that bell notification. And that way, YouTube will let you know the next time I post a new video. Okay, time to pack up and get ready for travel day. We're gonna go find another boondocking location. Don't go anywhere if you want to see more boondocking information videos. I've got a couple for you on the end screen, so check them out. See you next time.